Hello everyone, I am Dinky. I am currently pursuing BBA from the Nordcap University. During my college break of 2 months, I was looking for an internship so that I don't stay idle at home. Where I got to know about, then I got to know about the SSDN technologies from one of my friend. Uh, then I contacted the HR team of the company and I was allotted the digital marketing internship. On my first day of office, I was very nervous, but the team here was very supportive and encouraging. They got me comfortable in the environment, and the orientation also went very well. Then my team leader was decided. I was working under Vikram sir. He taught me everything about the products, the company, and every details that a person working in a company should know. Then I was also working with Anuradha ma'am. She taught me what digital marketing was, as digital marketing was a new concept for me as an overall. Working with her and seeking knowledge and observing her, I got to know many things about digital marketing, how SEO works, how SMO works, and different concepts. Then I was allotted different types of works from small to big, and I was doing my deadlines and everything. Then I got to know about what are business etiquettes, and I got to know what a corporate life is. And then we also introduced different things in the team, and new members were also added. Working as a team and individually working on ourselves also, I have learned here. And many celebrations, many team building activities, personal activities, and corporate organization activities. Many things happen here, which was a very good experience for me. It was my 2 months journey here where I take the perishable memories with me and great friends and new people I've interacted with. And I highly recommend new people who are looking for internships and jobs in similar field can contact SSDN because they provide a great trainings and a very welcome environment. And most of important thing, thank you to all the SSDN teams and my seniors who taught me everything and guided me through this.